MonitPro has laid the groundwork for the next industrial revolution 4.0 with advances in sophisticated technologies that are expanding our horizons such as big data, cloud computing, data analytics, mobile solutions, smart sensors, advanced algorithms and IoT. The way manufacturing is done will change in the future. With MonitPro's smart solutions, all relevant data are aggregated, analyzed and acted upon on day-to-day basis for sustained improvement and superior efficiency. MonitPro's smart solutions make sure that product, processes and data of all machines and systems are used for continuous optimization from procurement through production to end customer. Our solutions reduce the complexity of collecting data from a variety of sources with inconsistent data formats. MonitPro captures and structures large amounts of relevant technical data from diverse shop floor equipment, allowing your machine tools, CNCs, PLCs, SCADA, TCS and other devices to communicate operational information for improved performance and reliability. Sensors, IoT devices, operator shift data logger, people, processes, equipment, health, safety, environment, compliance and quality are a part of a connected MonitPro ecosystem. We call it the manufacturing intelligence. This gives decision makers a competitive edge to digitize the business, improve productivity and performance, meet government regulations, optimize costs, accelerate innovation, survive digital disruption and achieve manufacturing excellence.